Hello, I'm out in the forest picking blueberries, and today I will start this year's blueberry wine when I get home. Ooh. We have made our own wild yeast from berries. We used blackcurrant because they have a good fermentation. Blueberries, they don't start well by themselves. So this is a starter culture, and I add some more honey. I use honey because we have bees, so sugar is expensive and we have to buy it. Honey we have, so a little bit of water, and then the blueberries. We usually pick berries over several weeks, so when we first have this wine started, we will continue to fill it up with fresh berries, honey and water. I will come back to a more precise measurement of the ingredients. For every new batch of berries, I will squeeze them between my fingers so all the juice gets out of the berries, and then put the lid on with the airlock like this. And then I will stir the container several times every day. For us, this is a great way to preserve the fresh berries that otherwise would get spoiled quite fast. It starts blooping almost immediately, and 1 week after the last berries is in, I will site out the berry remains. And yeah, I usually pick berries over a period of 2 till 3 weeks. So this mix has worked with berries for a total of 1 month. The berries usually look a bit mushy and not so colorful anymore. And here are the leftovers, which will go to the pigs. So this is how it looks now. It is not exactly clear. It has a lot more yeast to be finished, about 3 more weeks in the barrel. Absolutely not finished, so I will just leave it in the glass barrel for as long as it still bloops. It has gone 3 weeks since I took out the berry remains, and it is almost finished, but a little bit bloop still, so I will give it another week, I think. The fermentation has stopped, so it's time to put the wine on bottles. So when you have done all this, you just have to put the bottles to rest for at least 3 months. So around Christmas time we usually start to taste the first bottles. Yeah. Akita is with us. The measurements are for 125-liter barrel, 10 kilos of berries, 3 kilos of sugar, or around 2 kilos of honey. So 3 kilos of sugar or 2 kilos of honey, and the rest of the barrel of 25 liters should be filled up with water. But this is something you do bit by bit as you pick the berries. So You will put in a little more water and a little bit more sugar every time you fill up with more berries. The end result we have here, and we can now taste one of the wines from last year. When we make wine like this on the most natural way possible, we will have a unique wine every year with a special taste of the berries, the summer and the climate for that season. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe out there in YouTube land. Bye!